Welcome! In front of me I have a XIAOMI Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever, and basically what we need to do is to pull on this lever, pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on the lever it will release the mechanism that holds the strap to your watch. So we can pull on it and it releases the mechanism, and then the strap should pop out. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, if you pull on the lever, it retracts this pin, and this pin basically releases from the hole on the watch right here, and then you can pull out the strap. Let's do the same for the second one. So pull on the lever and release the strap like this. And so we have the straps and our watch. And once you get the new straps, you need to put them back on, and that's quite simple. You basically grab the strap, you put the pin on the side that is opposite from the lever. Basically, you take this side, you put it in the hole on the watch like this, then you pull on the lever to retract this pin, align it with the hole on the other side, and release it. It will click, and once it clicks, it's gonna hold. So put in on this side, pull on the lever to retract the pin like this, align it with the other side, and release the pin, and it's gonna hold. Okay, and once you're done, you can enjoy your new straps. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.